Hello Travelers, so today I want to do just a really quick Christmas update. So right now it's 11:15 p.m. in Australia on the 25th, so it's still Christmas here right now, but by the time you watch this it's probably going to be Christmas over there in the Northern Hemisphere. So I just wanted to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of my followers and all of you watching right now. Thank you so much for all of your comments and your views and whether you like or dislike the video and your suggestions. I'm so thankful for all of that, and I just want to say that I hope you will continue to support me up into the new year, the 2020s. So my goal for this channel in the 2020s is actually to hit the 10,000 subscriber mark, and judging by the Social Blade future predictions, that seems to be likely to happen at this time next year. So in the 2020s, in December, I should have 10,000 subscribers, so yes. Just love to get that nice rounded figure. So I do also have some reviews upcoming. I plan to do a video about how to use your iPhone for vlogging, like a lightweight vlogging rig. I will also be doing a review on the Western Rise Evolution pants. So these are some great lightweight travel pants. Can't wait to do the review on those. And I have some interesting products as well from a couple of new companies. So these are the Alida water shoes. So these have like a sole where the water can drain through them. And I will do a comparison between these and some water shoes that I tried from Decathlon recently in my trip to Thailand. So a couple more reviews I have in terms of clothing. I have these MP Magic socks. These ones here are actually merino wool, and these ones are sort of a blend. Now these socks, their claim is sort of that they don't smell bad after wearing them for a while, even the non-merino ones, so I'll be very interested to try those out and do the review soon. Now probably one thing that you know if you've watched my channel for a while is that I'm always looking for the perfect bag, the one bag for travel. And for me that is a bag that is at the very least under 1 kilogram in weight, so that's under 2.2 pounds. The weight capacity is probably anywhere from 20 to 30 litres. I don't really want something that's too big. And I'm actually going to be going to Japan in May next year. So I've been doing a lot of research recently on the perfect bag for travel. Not that I really need a new bag, because I have some really great bags, especially the Topo designs and the Tortuga bags, and even the old Gorak bag and stuff that I have. But I did find this bag very unexpectedly from a local company called Macpac. So they're a New Zealand-based company, but they do have a European store, which ships to America. So I'll just show you this quickly. This is what they call a 28 litre. The actual capacity on the website looks like it's more like a 40 litre, but it is a 28 litre bag, maybe more like a 30. It has a water bottle pocket here. Not that I really use it, but I know a lot of you guys like that. It's only 720 grams, which is 25 ounces. So for me, just that alone makes it sort of kind of the perfect bag. Another thing is that it opens in a clamshell-like way. So it opens down in a clamshell rather than forward opening in a panel loading manner. And I do prefer this design. The other really nice thing about this bag is that it has a rear separate laptop compartment, which is felt and has a separate pocket down the front for a tablet. So I'm really excited to be doing a review of this one very soon. I will probably be going, not on a trip, but I'll be house sitting for someone for maybe a week or two. But I'll probably pack this bag and do a review on it probably, yeah, within the next couple of weeks. So that's pretty much it. I will be doing a couple more small reviews and videos before the end of the year. But in those videos, there won't be an update video, so this is the last update for this year and for this century. So I'm looking forward to see you all again in 2020, and I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year, and I look forward to seeing you in the new century, 2020. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the upcoming reviews, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.